Let's talk about the system UI elements of Android Wear. When we talk about system UI elements, we talk about cards and indicators that give the user the status of the wearable and show notifications from services on the user's phone. Your job as a designer is to keep these elements from obscuring your design by placing them carefully. Cards here are the notification system that bridges information between the wearable and a mobile device. Cards are also how most applications communicate with users. The user will be notified on the wearable about items such as emails and messages. We also have this concept of something called a peak card. The peak card is the top card in the stream that's partially visible over the bottom of the watch face. The API provides the ability to detect the dimensions of the peak card, like this red square here, so that your design can react to this if necessary. You have the ability to request that peak cards by default are hidden, small, or variable to expand to the contents. The user also has the ability to force show or hide a peak card as well, but you need to design for all possibilities. If you have a watch face with the time shown right at the top, you can allow a variable peak card that expands to the full height. This gives the most notification information to the user when needed. If on the other hand you have the time at a relatively low position, you should leverage a small peak card instead. If you have a round face with analog hands, you probably should choose a small peak card as well. However, the system notifies your watch face when the bounds of a peak card change, like here, so that you can rearrange the elements of your design if necessary, like in this example here, where the clock face has actually resized itself. Indicators tell the user the status of the wearable, such as charging, airplane mode, connectivity, and so forth. And the hot word is the phrase "OK Google," which tells the user that they can interact with the watch using voice commands. When a user activates the wearable, the hot word can appear on the screen for a few seconds. The indicator and the hot word can be placed in several fixed locations on the wearable. If you have a large peak card, they should go at the top of the screen. When you position these at the bottom, the system forces a small peak card. If the edge of the watch face contains strong visual elements, such as ticks or numbers like this one here, then you should place the indicators at the center of the screen. Finally, the indicators and hot word are drawn in the text with no background. So if you have a watch face with complex details in the background like text, you'll need to draw a filled background like these behind the text in an appropriate color.